Hi guys, greetings and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I want us to talk about this. I want to do a product review on this. I want to talk about all you need to know about Dynewell. If you really want to find out if you can gain weight with Dynewell, if Dynewell really works for weight gain, make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, so guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So guys, this is a drug. This is Dynewell syrup. This is a drug. This drug is for appetite. Okay, when you take this drug, it will increase your appetite so that you will eat much. Okay, so it is a drug, and it is a drug for appetite that enables you to eat well. When you eat well, you gain a healthy weight. Okay, so guys, this drug is manufactured in Ghana. Okay, it is a Ghana product. It is manufactured in Ghana. This drug comes in two different forms. They have the one of Dynewell. Sorry, they have the one of Dynewell normal, which is this is the normal. They also have the one of Dynewell plus. Okay, the normal is for general weight gain, if you want to gain weight generally. Okay, while the plus is for your front side and your back side. Okay, if you want to gain weight in your front side and your back side, the Dynewell plus is for you. I got this for 2,500 naira. It depends where you are buying it from. I've seen some places where they sell 3,000, 3,500, 4,000. So it just depends where you are buying it from. Okay, the plus is being sold for 5,000 naira. It also depends where you are buying it from. You can also get it for 6,000 naira. Okay, so guys, this comes in two different forms. This is the small one. It also have the big one. Okay, the big one is being sold for 5 or 6,000 naira. Yes, the big one of it, like the big normal. This is normal, the big normal. Okay, so it is being sold for 5,000 or 6,000. Some sell 6,000, some sell 5,000. Okay, so this is normal. Okay, so guys, this drug was manufactured in 2024. It is new. Yes, this is 2024. It will expire next year. Okay, it will expire next year, 2025. Okay, so guys, does this really work for weight gain? The truth is yes, it does. Let me show you something. You see, this is where I've used it too. This is the third container I am using, but guys, I do not take this every day. Like the last time I took this was like 3 weeks ago. Yes, 3 weeks ago, and I still somehow still have the I don't know, maybe I'll turn it and show you guys. So this is the third container, and the last time I took it was 3 weeks ago. These do work for weight gain. Okay, you can gain weight with this. You start seeing difference from 2 weeks of usage. If you use this for 2 weeks, you start seeing some changes in your body. Okay, guys, if you want to take this and you really want to gain weight, do not take it like me. I don't take this every day. I don't take it. It's been long I took it. I don't take it every day. I take when I was taking it, when I took it, I was taking it every night. Okay, every night before I give a break, because yeah, I added. And see, one thing I like about this drug is when you stop, you're not going to lose all the weight. You still look that mature as long as you eat well. Okay, you're not going to lose all the weight. Okay, one thing I like about this drug is the fact that it does not blow the cheek. You are not going to have this fat round cheek. So it does not give fat cheek. It does not give fat stomach. It increased the stomach a little, but not as big as Cypri Gold or Apitamine. Okay, so it increased the stomach a little. Okay, but not too big. It tastes like cough syrup. It tastes like cough syrup. So if you want to try out this drug and you bought yours and yours is dark in color, maybe you've gotten the fake. It's not supposed to be dark in color. Is somehow yellow or somehow orange, like is like this color, yellow. So that's how it's supposed to be, not dark. Okay, it comes with a measurement, which is this. You take a cup of this. Okay, this is 12, okay, 10 ml. You take a cup of this. So I take it every night. You can take it morning and night. You take this every day, though I was taking my own every night. I was taking it every night. Yes, because it makes someone sleep. Okay guys, let's talk about the side effect. Some of the side effects are it makes someone sleep too much. So if you don't want to sleep too much, don't go for this. It makes someone sleep too much. I made a video about this, and some people also told me that they were not sleeping too much and they were not eating too much. Like they were not eating too much and they were not sleeping too much. That they were not feeling dizzy, all these things, but that they are seeing signs. So I was like, well, our immunes, like our immune system reacts differently. Our hormones, everything. And again, sometimes it could be that you didn't get the original, okay? But it makes someone eat too much, it makes someone sleep. And when it makes you eat too much, this is when you're going to gain the weight, because it will increase appetite so that you eat a lot. When you eat a lot, you will now gain the weight. Do you understand? And it makes someone sleep too much. When you sleep, you rest, you add, okay? So another side effect, these are the side effects. So another side effect is it makes someone weak, it makes someone dizzy. So if you know you operate any machines, if you know that you drive, do not take this, okay? Maybe you can take it during the weekend, all right? Do not take this if you operate any machine, so that you don't sleep off there, okay? And if you drive, do not take this too. It makes someone weak, it makes someone dizzy, it makes someone sleep too much, it makes someone eat too much. So these are my own experience with it, okay? This is my own experience. This review is based on my own experience, okay? So it makes someone weak. So do not take it when you know you want to operate anything that can harm you, like machines, okay? So guys, I know a lot of people ask me, can a pregnant person take it? To me, I don't advise any pregnant woman to take something without doctor's prescription, because I'm not a doctor and I'm not a nurse. This review is based on my own experience, okay? Guys, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you like my video, like this video, so that a lot of people get to see this video, okay? While we continue. So guys, a pregnant woman, I don't know, to me, do not take it without speaking to your doctor first, okay? So can a nursing mother take this? Yes, a nursing mother can take this, okay? So someone will also ask me, can like someone with high BP take this? I think yes, someone with high BP can take this, because this is a drug for appetite. It increases your appetite. You eat it out. But please, if you know you have health issues, especially serious health issues, make sure you speak to your doctor before you take this, okay? Again, someone will also ask me, can children take this? If your child is not up to 6 years, your child is not allowed to take this, okay? If your child is not up to 6 years, do not give this to your child, okay? It is written on it that it is only children that are from 6 years that can take this. So if your child is not up to 6 years, do not give it to your child, okay? Someone can also ask me if he or she can take this and also take the plus. Yes, you can take this and you can also take the plus together. This also have tablets, so you can also take the tablets and this together, and this can be used both for male and female. And I know someone will also ask me if he or she can combine this with another weight gain syrup. The truth is, you can, but somehow most times it is not advisable, because you can take this with another weight gain syrup and the thing start reacting badly on you. You won't actually know the one that is reacting badly, okay? So that's why most times it's not good to take combine it with another syrup, in case if your body does not accept it, you will know. But when you when you combine it with another different syrup and it's reacting badly, you may not know the actual one that is reacting, and again it may actually be because you combined it with another product, that's why it's reacting badly. But I know a lot of people, they'll be like, so that they will get faster results. This actually works, okay? It works, guys. It really do works, okay? So guys, there are a lot of fake of this in the market. If you want to get this, please make sure that you get it from a reliable source, so that you buy the original. If you don't buy the original one, it's not going to work for you. That's the honest truth, okay? See, the last time I took this was like 3 weeks ago, and I still have the body. Like, I did not lose all the weight. It's not like you will not lose a little, but you're not going to lose everything, okay? You're not going to lose everything. So another thing you should also note is one of this will not do the work. Okay, one of this will not give you that weight gain that you desire. You need to take more than a bottle. Okay, you need to take more than a bottle, and it's affordable. Yeah, somehow it's affordable. It's the post that is a little bit expensive. 6,000, guys. Like in Nigeria now, 6,000 is a whole lot of money because things are very, very expensive. And again, that 6,000 was the last time I checked. I don't know for now, but I think it's still that 6,000 because it haven't been long. I got this not long ago. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I went straight to the point. If you have any question regards to this, gaining weight with this, or anything you want to know about this, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I will attend to you. I will answer you. Okay. So that's my own honest review concerning this. You can actually gain weight with this. Okay, you can gain a healthy weight with this. It really do works. Okay, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel till now, what are you waiting for? Please sweetheart, subscribe, join the family. Here on my YouTube channel, I talk about skincare, I do product review, I share tips on how you can grow your own YouTube account. Guys, feel free to check out my videos. Okay, you see videos I'm interested to watch, so please make sure you like this video, make sure you share this video to your family and friends, and make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. Please, I am begging you, comment. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to leave it. If you don't have, please say something. How are you? I hope you're fine. Please, guys, say something in the comment section. Okay, guys, see you on my next video. Bye.